What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. If our video saved your life or helped you in any way, make sure you click the thanks button you'll see underneath the video screen and send a donation. We appreciate it. This is a Denago Nomad electric golf cart. This will be similar on the Rover as well. If yours has a touchscreen like this and you want to be able to remove the touchscreen, you know, to replace it or inspect something or do any wiring or whatever, very easy to do. Just get your Allen wrench, 3/16 Allen, and remove these. You got bolts on each side of it over there. Just remove those and it will lift right off. Now, some people have noticed that there is a little antenna inside there. Honestly, it helped pretty much zero on the FM radio reception. It's basically it's the same as you can get on Amazon, a little aftermarket FM radio antenna. You know, it's kind of tucked inside back in there. We tried it, you know, just to see if it helped at all. Not really. So the FM radio, unless you live really close to the radio station, is kind of pointless on this cart. So anyway, that's just something we found out on removing the screen unit. And you know, if you live on the north side of Atlanta and you're looking for a Denago, a Star, a Cushman, club car, we have many carts on the lot here. We're right off of Highway 92, which you see right there. We're about 1 mile east of Main Street on Highway 92. You'll see our signs, you can't miss them. Look for our website, golfcarsofwoodstock.com. We're on Facebook as well. Y'all come see us. This is the Denago Nomad lifted version. Great cart. We sell a ton of them. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you.